Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights, and our living a balanced life. I'm your host, Darin. Are you tired of feeling stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and negativity? What if the very parts of yourself you try to hide hold the key to your greatest strength and deepest peace? Inner turmoil isn't a problem to erase. It's a map to what needs some attention. The shadow holds disowned energy, shame, fear, secrecy, rage, unmet longing. When we meet those parts with curiosity rather than judgment, that energy becomes usable. That's inner alchemy. Turning what feels heavy into a source of insight and power. Transition to gratitude. You might be wondering, why gratitude? Gratitude isn't about glossing over pain. Modern research shows gratitude practices change neural pathways tied to mood and reward. And in lived practices, I found something simple and profound. Gratitude becomes the solvent that loosens rigid patterns of shame and reactivity, allowing shadow material to surface and transform. Think of one person you often feel tense with. Mentally note one specific quality in them that you genuinely appreciate. The next time you speak, offer that appreciation. Watch how the dynamic shifts. Gratitude in action disarms defensiveness and creates space for honest exchange, which is where shadow material can surface safely. Gratitude towards workers, strangers, colleagues, small acknowledgments move through systems. I've seen a shopkeeper smile more warmly after a sincere thanks, and staff morale shift when leaders modeled appreciative language. The ripple spreads. So does receptivity to vulnerability. Find a quiet seat or your sacred space. Take out a pen and paper, or just mentally remember. Take one slow breath. List 3 things about yourself you're grateful for. Not achievements, but qualities or small acts. List 2 people you'll thank today and why. Identify one shadow impulse you noticed this week and name it aloud. I noticed my reaction of offer yourself one line of compassion. I see you. You're not alone. Do this for 5 minutes every evening for 7 days. When shadow material arises, gratitude softens the body's threat response, making it safer to inquire rather than defend. Use the ripple exercise as a bridge. Gratitude stabilizes your nervous system. Naming the shadow brings it into conscious orbit. Compassionate acknowledgement begins the transformation. Over time, the shadow is no longer something hidden, but a partner in your growth. Common pitfalls and how to navigate them. If gratitude feels fake, start with neutral observations, a warm cup, a reliable chair, and expand slowly. If naming the shadow overwhelms you, shorten the exposure and pair it with grounding breath. If others resist your gratitude, respect boundaries and keep the practice private as needed. Commit to micro habits. 2 minutes a day compounds. Schedule a weekly gratitude check-in. Invite an accountability buddy, or just pair the exercise with a ritual object, a crystal, a journal. That signals the work. Notice how decision-making, relationships, and emotional flexibility shifts. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of unlocking inner alchemy. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay connected, and follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.